Okay, so welcome back to one of my unboxing moments. I know I did that, but it seemed to work out. Okay, guys, so I don't know if you know, but a lot of you should, maybe don't. I don't know, if you follow me and you see a lot of my stories, you'll notice that I do smoke occasionally. Usually because of a social event where you just want to connect, because that's usually the case where people just want to go to a smoking area because you don't want to miss out on business, especially in marketing. So definitely on that part, I do smoke, and if there's enough alcohol in my system, the same story happens. Like, I suddenly crave a cigarette. I suddenly crave a rollie. It's never really a cigarette though, it's more like a rollie, just because I like controlling it, but also like smoking a cigarette compared to a rollie is like way different. Like you get a whole like burn here and aftertaste and everything else that comes with cigarettes, which is like super bad. I don't understand how people can do it first thing in the morning, but it's fine, I won't judge. But rollies, obviously, just because I can control the amount of tobacco that I put in it, so I make it nice and thin, almost like I'm rolling a J. That's so cool. But obviously, I love my health. I love being healthy. You've seen some of my videos. I like hiking, I like exercising, gym life all the way. And by doing that as well, smoking is basically like me getting my body to fight against each other. Like, I'm destroying it, but I'm also trying to keep up with being healthy, and that probably isn't good for my heart. I honestly believe that. So today's unboxing is based on a health choice of trying to make better life choices. I'm trying to make better life choices here, okay? And one of them is going to Vuse. I don't know, is it Vuse or Vuse? At first, I don't know, is it the South African in me, guys? But I thought it was Vuse. But I was like, that doesn't make sense. Still doesn't. But yeah, so got Vuse. I got the, oh my god, I'm like suddenly losing my thing. I got the vape from Vuse, okay? And it comes in this little cute package. Like, I was so impressed. So I went to the one in Canal Walk. There's a few branches. I know there's one in the V&A. There's one in Tiger Valley, I think. But they have a few branches around Cape Town, and I'm sure around everywhere else, maybe around the world, I don't know. But this is the one I got because a lot of my friends have this one, and they were all like raging about it and how amazing it is. So I thought, well, they've used it, they're still standing, so might as well use it. So this is basically what's in the package. You get like this nice little bag when you get there, and then inside, the whole thing is that you get two pods. Two little pods that you get to, smoke with this thing. And so this is how it shows up. So what you get. Let me get it to focus. And it's pretty. So I'm a plain Jane all the way. Not plain Jane in fashion, but like plain Jane in general. So like, I like really clean, plain things so that I can wear something crazy over it. Like this jacket. Like, I wore all white. I'm gonna give you a little tour. I wore all white, and then I just put on this Aztec jacket to like pop. But like, this is how usually my style goes, and I have my sneakers on. So yeah, so you get this in the box, and it tells you all the details you need to know. It's a fast charge, splash proof, vape while you charge. Oh, you can vape while you charge. Just don't though, just wait. I'm sure you have the patience to wait until it's fully charged. Compatible with ePod, e-liquid pods. Okay, that's cool. So at least you don't just have to get this brand. It works with a few other ones. And then it also says like the packaging is 100% recyclable. I don't know how much that is because it's got ink, but anyway, I'm not going to say anything. I'm not an expert in this one. And it contains, in the box, you'll get one Vuse ePod, 2 devices, one magnetic charging cable, which is great. It's nice to have a cable, but I guess it's also like, if it's not universal, that's kind of I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's not such a big challenge. And then one user guide, compatible, like they said, with ePod, e-liquid pods. Okay, so I got the black one, and we're gonna unbox it, okay? But first, let's see the pods package. So I got iced mango ePods. These are like completely zero nicotine because, like I said, I'm not really a smoker, and it's not like I'm using vapes to quit smoking. I'm just like changing my lifestyle so that when I do go out and it comes to a point where I'm craving a cigarette, rather light up a vape, because I also know it's that whole vibe of smoking rather than actually getting that head rush and high. For me anyway, that's why I want it. So this was actually perfect. So this is how it looks. Well, the guy said it's not going to be too sweet. It's going to be like minty sweet. So I'm hoping for that. So yeah, that's that guy, and it comes with 2 in them, which makes sense why this whole thing is like a package deal. And I mean, this cost me $199.95, guys. I actually thought it was going to be more expensive than that when I got it, but the whole thing was basically $199.95, where the ePods were 99 Rand, and the thing was it was meant to be like 449, but I think they're having a special, so they gave it to me for like 100 Rand. Nice. So super happy with that. So like, basically go now if you want it. And that's basically it. So now let's open up this baby. So first you slide it out, and this is what you're gonna get. So I like this. This is like a bit artsy, like. And another one, you get a little welcome note from them saying, "Welcome to Vuse. Qualify for an extended 12-month warranty when registering on the website." And they actually did this for me at the store, so that was also really cool. So I'm sorted. Like, I got an SMS and everything saying welcome to the Vuse family, and so it was really cool that they handled that part for you as well. And then this is how it looks. I'm gonna just bend this a little bit. This is how it looks. That's pretty cool. Oh, and the best part, I was so impressed with this one. They said I can get anything I want on the whole thing, like it can be lasered in. And so I saw this laser machine just like zzz, suddenly it was there. Like I literally blinked and it was already on there. So I asked for my initials right in front there because I didn't want it. There you go. Oh my god, just focus. There you go. There you go. Okay, now focus on me again. But like, it's really light. I love that it's so tiny and ladylike and like can fit into any of my tiny little bags, because like it's very hard to get anything into my bags because I don't like carrying handbags. So this is again really great. So underneath, okay, so let me put this aside actually. So that's the first part of this, obviously. And then we open up and you get the user guide. Always useful. Please read the user guide. I mean, I know we all tech savvy, but like, just read the user guide. You're probably going to miss out on so many things that you could have done with this or understood or how to look after it if you just read it. Like, you didn't make this, so read it. And then after that, okay, I'm going to put this little package thing. And I got a red charger. I wish the charger was black, but I won't be a chooser because I got it for only 100 Rand. So it's fine. But it's like a little magnetic part there. There you go. Try and focus on that one. And it works with a USB, which is great. That is happy all the way. So yeah, basically what you get is these 2 important items and the user guide. And then now we're gonna open this guy. So I've honestly, please forgive me, but I have never ever used vapes. Like, I've tried them with people who own them, but I've never used vapes myself. So I don't know, like, this, we're learning together at this point. So this is what you get, and then you open it up. Oop, don't fall. Open it up, I'll make it this way. And that's how it comes out of the box. Let's see what it says. Thank you for choosing Vuse. Discover a full range of flavors on Vuse.com. And this is how it shows up. A little cute. Oh, and the best part, they said you can recycle these. So once it's finished, just go back to the shop and get a refill, or, you know, like, just let's save the environment. This is what we're trying to do. The only reason we're going into vape world is because we're trying to save ourselves and the environment. So like, try and take these back once they're finished. Don't throw them in the bin. And then in there's another user guide for the liquid. So awesome. That's more teachings for the rest of us. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much sorry, let me just focus on my face. That's pretty much it in the box. It also says like, yeah, 100% recyclable cardboard again, plastic film free. Great. Find out about our sustainability program on their website, Vuse.com. And that's basically it, guys. This is it. That's all you get in the box. So like, I'm gonna read the manual because like I said, but it's gonna be a quick squiz through, okay? Just a quick one. So let's see. That's what you get. Important. Assign quality. Okay. I'm trying to move fast here for this one. Okay, quick setup. Okay, quick start. Insert your pod into your ePod 2 device. So let's destroy this guy. Not one of them. Surely I can just. Okay, fine. I'll try to like get through that. So I'm gonna use my key again. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, it's like mango bubblegum. That's what I just got. That's like the nostalgic feeling I got now was like a mango bubblegum vibe. Ooh, it's also oh gosh, it's like what's that other bubblegum? Sorry, we have a lot of Uber deliveries, so you probably heard a bike in my video, which is annoying. Oh my god, this smells so good. This smells so good. Look at this. This is how it looks close up. And you can see the words there a little bit. Maybe I'm too close to the camera this time. Trying my luck. But yeah, it smells really good. Like, oof. Oh my god. Oh, and it comes fully recharged, charged already. So you don't have to like, get too, wait for the whole thing. So, okay, I put this, and apparently you can also put it, apparently you can put it like in both directions. It doesn't really matter. So throw that in, and damn. Look at this. It's so sleek though. It's so fucking sleek. Look at, oh god, I swear a lot, I'm sorry. But it's so sweet. Look at this. I just see myself like just drinking a little sip of wine with my vape, with my mango vape. My good. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, simply puff to start your vape experience. Oh, and it has a battery indicator, by the way. I forgot to completely tell you that, but it has a battery indicator. It says when white LED flashes 10 times, it is time to charge your device. See? How would you have known that if you didn't read? And then there's like a few do nots, like when you change your pod, what you shouldn't do. But that stuff I think you should also like go read on your own when you get this. But little or no vapor production. I'm not gonna read this. Why am I wanting to read this? Okay, like just get the product and then just read it, okay? Just read the rest of the manual. But I mean, it was an easy setup, literally easy. Just putting that on there. And oh, I saw a flash. I saw a flash. Okay, let's focus on this one again. Let's focus on this one. I'm gonna take it out. And then, boom. That's how it goes on. Okay, got that part. So now at least we know it's on. And then just like, alright. Oh, it tastes nice. It tastes so nice. It is like a mentally like minty taste, like aftertaste, like extra air you get on your tongue. But at the same time, it's like, it's like mango. It's like mango bubblegum. Oh my god, and then it tastes like mango. It actually tasted like mango just right at the end when I was talking. Okay, I like this one. I'm happy with it. And apparently you can get like 33 or 300 puffs. I can't remember how many puffs you meant to get. Not 33, surely. I'm being silly with that one. You get a lot of puffs. So like 2 is apparently meant to last you depending on how much you smoke, and I smoke like really very like rarely. Like I'd say my smoking is based on my drinking. So, and I only go out like 5 times a month, I'd say. So out of that 5 times I need the puffs, and like I explained this to the guy and he said like, yeah, you just need 2 pods, you'll be fine. And it lasts for like an hour. I think the battery life is like an hour, so which is also great. Okay, that's it guys. I got my vape now. So goodbye to tobacco. Goodbye to rollies, goodbye to cigarettes, goodbye to unhealthy lungs. Hopefully they're still standing inside there and not rotting away. But this is it. And I get my little initials on it and I can continuously reuse it. So very happy. Thank you so much, Vuse, for getting this, for giving us such an amazing product. Thank you. So guys, that's it. That's pretty much it. If you want to see any more unboxings or reviews, or feel like there's something I missed or like there's some corrections you want to make about my efforts of making these videos for you, throw them in the box, throw them in my chats, like send me a chat on Instagram if you want, follow me on Instagram, because that would be nice to get some support on Instagram too. But thank you so much for tuning into this one. I hope you enjoy the next ones, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And like I said, let me know if you want to see anything else. Cheers.